Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderside Media, along with my co-pilot here, Scott Kukarishan. We're at the ABT program here, SAS Polytech, main campus, and there's another project. How so convenient for us?
Another year, another project, another class.
Exactly. So I'm gonna let Scott intro this one because I've only just kind of briefly looked at it. I have an idea what it is, but Scott's gonna intro it, then walk us around this project. All right, take it away, Scott.
Thanks, Ian. So, okay, 1972
Oh yeah,
Firebird,
nice.
and that's it. I don't know anything about
Pontiac something.
Pontiac. So this is exactly the way that when the owner called and said, "I got a project. Are you interested in it?" And I have no problem looking at old cars.
Yeah.
So walked into his garage, and this is exactly what he had. He had a couple sheds of parts and so on.
Mm-hmm.
And this car, as you could tell, was starting to get done.
Mm-hmm.
And it's actually not bad shape.
Yeah,
So,
a little rust-wise, I would say it's probably limited, but it's just in 1,000 pieces.
It's not bad at all. And yeah, we got a whole bunch of parts inside, but the floorboard is really good.
Good.
We've done some measuring on the doors as far as mill thickness.
Right.
I think we can block the doors.
Oh, awesome.
The floor is really good shape.
Sweet. Okay. Well,
oh, sorry.
no, I said we could do a walk around.
Let's do a quick walk around.
Can't see much from there. I can't, and the door's open this way, so I'll follow you.
Okay.
We're going to follow Scott. Okay. Let's inspect.
So we measure the doors. They're not that thick. They're only like 13, 14 mils.
And that would be a normal number-ish?
It would be a thick paint job.
Okay.
So for these doors to be body worked and so on, we do have to block them down.
Yep.
There's some rust patches put on them.
Okay.
They appear to be good. So
Oh,
I'm going to say appear right now. Edges of the doors are a little bit on the thicker side in places. So if we block them down, I'm hoping we're going to be okay.
Yeah. Good. Cool.
Not much to see inside with all the parts and so on, because a lot of this is all supplied by the owner.
Uh-huh.
But trust me, the floor is actually looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
And in the main section.
Okay.
Factory rare do-it-yourself T-roofs.
Do-it-yourself T-roofs.
Like,
yeah.
Don't worry about glass fitting or weather stripping, sealing. Just cut it. It'll be good.
I got a Sawzall and a good idea.
Yeah. So the owner supplied another roof.
Yeah.
We are going to make this back into an actual hard top. No, we are not going to try and make T-roofs out of this car. So we are not doing numbers matching. We are not doing a restoration. This is not a low numbers production car, so on. It's getting an LS engine.
Okay.
And he spouted some numbers, and I'm not even going to try to quote what he said, but this thing will be moving pretty good.
It's going to dance. Got it.
So he doesn't need the T-roofs. He needs a full roof to give it some strength.
Yes.
So he's got a used roof.
Yep.
It's already had new quarters put on.
Okay.
And tubs, but we're going to redo them.
Okay.
We got new quarters coming.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And it's been, it's been plug welded. I'm not saying that it was bad job done or anything like that, but what we're going to do, the outer tubs.
Yep.
They weren't put in. They were just sectioned.
Oh, okay.
All the way up and around.
Yeah.
And that's okay, but we're going to replace them all because this owner is going to be a little bit serious about go fast. So we're going to do widened inner tubs.
Yeah. So we call that a mini tub then? Is that would be the...
Yeah, I would call it that.
The loose term? Okay.
I just put them in.
Yeah. All right then. Okay.
But mini tub it.
So putting some meat on it then.
So that means these are going to come off. The outer tub's going to come off. We're going to mini tub it, as you say, and then put the outer tubs and the quarters on.
Cool.
Trunk has had some patches put in it, so we have a whole new trunk floor coming.
Awesome.
He just wants this thing done and done well.
Yeah.
So
good. That's awesome.
So he's already supplied trunk drop-offs. He's got the main valence pan, the rear outer valence pan for it. So all we had to order really was the trunk floor, outer quarters, outer tubs. He's already supplied everything else. And like I said, this has been sitting in his garage for a long time. So he wants the spoilers put on it.
Wow.
And color, it's going white.
White.
So whatever the code is for 1972, we're gonna paint it white, and we might do some blue stripes on it.
Yeah, if I recall, again, Dazed and Confused, best movie ever for muscle cars. That guy, he's at 70, but he runs that white Trans Am blue stripe. Yeah, with the 455. So maybe something like that.
Something like that. So he hasn't quite gone on what we're gonna do with blue stripes yet.
Yeah, but white and blue, that'll complement well on this style of body, because that's a, like the Ram Air Trans Ams in white and blue. I think that'll be wicked. Cool.
So this is exactly the way we got the car. Even that's on the stand.
Oh, even on the stand?
Yep. This is the way it came to us. So
roll on, roll off.
Once we get some of the other cars off the rotisserie, this was going to go on the rotisserie, and we are probably going to take the doors and the trunk off and send it straight for blasting.
Gotcha.
So that the firewall, the underneath, inside is all done.
Yeah.
And so we have very little blasting and a nice clean slate to start with the students.
So when is this one slated to begin? Maybe later in the school year?
Actually, this one will be starting, even if we can, in a few weeks.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So it depends. Yeah. And again, the vehicle has to match the training needs for what we are teaching.
Yep.
So we might, when we get into door servicing in a couple of weeks, we'll probably ensure that the hinges are good, the doors are aligned, trunk is aligned, make sure that's all good before we take them off to send the car for blasting.
Yeah, because these big, heavy doors, pretty common that the bushings are shot in the hinges, not
And I know a lot of people out there don't believe it, but these doors at one time closed as good as any new vehicle on the road today.
Yeah, and I don't know if I've ever witnessed one officially actually doing that. So I'd be curious once this one's together or aligned that they actually click, because I've usually got to put some effort behind it. And I think it, again, they could be dipped down or just not done correctly.
Just not quite set, but yes, they do close nice when they are good.
Well, so I'm excited to try the doors then. Cool. Well,
maybe we'll teach them about lubrication skills too.
Yeah.
So, but so this is one of this year's coming projects.
Right. Do we want to tease into what the other stuff is? We leave everybody to sit in suspense.
Oh, we've got one that I don't think anybody would ever want to touch. That we've been working on for quite a lot. We've worked on it for about a year and a half, and then it went on ice for about 5 years. So that's coming out of the warehouse, and we'll finally be maybe caught up. We don't only do cars; we have some trucks that are coming through the system. So we got a few things on the go.
Good. So we'll leave it just like that. As they come in, we'll make the videos and we'll get the information out there. So awesome. Always, Scott, thanks. We appreciate getting into the shop and just seeing how these restorations go. They're not 7 hours, they're not 35 minutes, they're not 48 minutes on Netflix. These are, we can see the step-by-step process. I think it gives everybody a better understanding. So yeah, thanks again for watching, everyone. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming. All right, take care. Bye for now.